Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what I'm going to talk about is the easy way to make money online, and you need no money to apps to do this. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the easy way to make money online with no money needed. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to go to clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is something where they have all these affiliate links, like affiliate promotions that you can promote. So all you have to do is sign up to that and you're done. It's absolutely free. There's you can do this with no money needed, just like I said at first. Now, in some countries you can't do that on Clickbank, but in most countries you can. I know that in France you can, so probably all over Europe you can. So check it out. If you can't do that, you can also find some other affiliate programs. There are millions, promote whatever you want. There are most likely some ways to do this. So what you want to do is to do low ticket items because you want to take care of impulse buys. Don't go for something that you want to sell for $500 or $1,000 or all that stuff. There is a way to promote these as well, which I did in probably yesterday's video, because I film multiple videos a day, but I think it's probably yesterday's video if you're watching this. So if you want to make some real money, then you can absolutely do that. But what you want to do is to do low ticket items for this technique. So maybe the best way is to have items that are free plus shipping. So if you don't know what that is they advertise it as getting an item for free. So it doesn't matter what it is. Maybe it's a bracelet or something like that. And then they pay for the shipping. But obviously when you pay for the shipping, you pay for the bracelet as well. So you get something for $10 shipping or $15 shipping, and then they obviously pay the bracelet. The reason why you want to not do your own thing is because you don't want to deal with all that customer support, all that stuff. You don't want to deal with that. I've done this before and it's not that fun. So all you have to do is just promote that product, and then you have nothing to do. All you have to do is watch the money come in. So make sure that you find an affiliate program and don't do it yourself. I mean, if you want to do it yourself, you can do that. There's no problem. But trust me, the best way is to promote someone else's product. So once you have found that product that's a free plus shipping, it's a low ticket, and that's perfect, that you feel comfortable with promoting it. What you're going to do is you're going to start an Instagram page. So an Instagram page is something that most people don't know how to grow. So you want to do that in the niche that you're doing. So maybe it's a travel niche. If you have a bracelet that has some nature on it or something like that, some palm trees, then you want to grow something of that nature. But maybe it's sporting and then you want to do something where people are working out or something like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find the big pages in your niche. So the big travel pages, if you're promoting traveling, if you're promoting working out, then find the best ones, the biggest ones that have millions of subscribers and all that stuff, or followers, I think, on Instagram. So what you do is you find the videos that work the best on those pages. So just scroll around. If you do this on your computer, you'll actually be able to hover above all these pages and actually find see the ones that have the most views, but maybe you have to click on them if you're on your phone, but it's not that big of a deal. What you're going to do is you're going to download this, and to download this, there's an app called Documents on iPhone, so you can download that, and you can download the videos from Instagram. And if you're not sure how to do that, there are a million different videos on YouTube to do this. But when I did this, I used Documents. So you find those videos that work the best, you download them, and then you repost them on your Instagram. And you want to do this not just once a week or something. You want to post around 4 to 6 times a day, because that's how you're going to grow your page. The big pages grow 4 to 6 times, maybe even more than that, because you want people to end up on your page, and a lot of people are not going to do that. I've grown some Instagram pages before, and trust me, the more you post, the better. I haven't tried posting millions of times a day, but if you post 4 to 6 times, it's a very good way to do that. And what you do is you're going to copy their hashtags. Copy the exact hashtags that they have, because obviously these ones work because they know how to grow an Instagram page. So do that. And then you're going to DM people to get into engagement groups. So, go to pages, DM people, and then they're going to comment, they're going to like on your post, and you're going to like on their post. And that's how you're going to grow massively on Instagram. So at first you might not get very many sales, but after a while you will. So if you're wondering how you're going to get some sales, we go right back to the beginning, and you have that link to your free plus shipping offer. So in your bio, if you don't have 10,000 followers, which using this technique you could probably get quite fast, but you want to do this, post it in the description and say, I have this free plus shipping offer. You can go right there and do that. You don't need much at all. It's a free item. Just go and grab it. Don't even say you have to pay shipping. Just say it's a free item in your bio, and they'll see it anyway. You're not scamming them or anything, but they'll see that, and that's how you'll be able to make $100 a day, $200 a day, $300, and there are some pages that make so much money that you won't even believe. That really depends on how fast you grow, how big your page is. At the beginning you won't get many sales, but if you do this consistently, every step that I just talked about, then you'll be able to make $100 a day very easily. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.